Hello again guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use Iframe to import your video to your website. So let's get started. And remember to click the subscribe button and hit the bell button so you won't miss any of our videos. As you can see, I'm using Skylight text. It's a very good application, so you can test it by yourself. Choose a video and then click share. Click the embed thing and you'll see this code here. Copy that code and paste it in your website's code and save it. Open your website and you'll see a embedded YouTube here, and you can click it whatever you want. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.